guys! Welcome back again to our channel. So, today's video, karating lang namin ni husband guys, ng grocery kami. So, namili kami ng food. So, kapagod guys. So, I'll show you what our grocery. So, okay na guys. Namili kami ng, oh my gosh. Kami ganito guys, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Ayan, frozen siya guys. Mga fresh ito guys na mga ay, ito pala is parang ano na siya guys. Parang chicken fillet na merong ano tawag nito. Mayroong breadcrumbs na papituhin mo na lang. Ayan. And then meron kaming fresh na burger. Ayan guys, fresh na burger. Laki na mukha ko dyan. So, may fresh na burger dito guys. 4. And, meron din kaming pork. Ito guys. Pork din ito. Mga fresh ito guys na meat. Bacon, I think. Pork bacon. And, I don't know what is this. Ewan ko ano to guys. Wala kasi pangalan, basta may fresh meats ito guys. Ito naman is sausage fresh na sausage. And I don't know what is this. 1 minute, I tell my husband. Alright, this one is pork, right?
Pork chop.
This one is pork chop.
Pork chop.
Okay, pork chop. And this one is
Chinese chops.
Chinese chops. Chinese chops, guys. And this one,
Vegetable roll.
vegetable roll.
Vegetable.
Vegetable? Vegetable rolls. Fresh, like sausage.
Sausages.
Yes, sausages.
Beef sausages.
Fresh. And burger, right?
Chicken burgers.
Chicken burgers. And this one, minced meat. Fresh ito guys. Fresh. And this one is chicken fillet.
Chicken burger.
Chicken fillet. Still have one, darling. And what is this? Okay. Pork.
Boiling ham.
Huh?
A boiling ham.
Boiling ham?
Boiling. It's boiling water.
Boiling?
Boiling ham.
Boiling ham. Okay. Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
Yeah, mga fresh meat siya, guys. So, I'll put in the freezer, right? Okay. And, bumili kami ito, guys. Ilang grocery na lang kami. Bumili ako ng ito, guys, oh. Chocolate chunks muffins. Yung dalawa, sinerve ko na kay husband kasi snacks. And bread. Ayan, itong bread namin na binili doon, guys. Maganda siya. And, meron kami, what is this? Tunis crispy for pastries. Ito, guys, oh. Ganyan. And, meron kami salt, iodized salt. Laki na mukha natin dito. I like this digestive chocolates. Digestive chocolates. We have lots of stuff. We have stuffs here, guys. But we are going to the, we buy in the mall, what do you call it? We buy in the grocery, yung mga cheap na mga groceryhan kasi pag dito ka sa malapit, expensive. So, no choice minsan. Pumunta kami sa ganyan dito, sa aming lugar. Mahal. So, ngayon, may time kami na kaming ginagawa. So, nag-grocery kami. Kaso nga lang, medyo may mga 30 minutes, I think. 25 to 30. Tapos kumuha ako nito guys, itry ko naman ito. Yung washing up liquid na ganito. Meron ako dyan na mga fairy, pero try ko din naman yan. So, maganda din naman ata ito eh. Maganda. Lemon siya, guys. Marami din itong kumukuha sa grocery, eh. And, meron akong garden peas. Ito, guys. Mura lang siya doon. Pero pag dito sa amin, dito sa lugar, mahal na ito, guys. Mga nasa 5 pounds na ito, guys. Doon, mura lang siya. And then, meron akong pasta. Mag-spaghetti ako sometimes, guys. Pakainin ko sa husband. So, meron na tayong pasta. Meron ako last na karaan na ito, guys. Ito. Nagbibili-pili ako ng mga ganyan, guys, kasi ini-stock ko sa bahay. And then, mabigat kasi, guys, eh. Ganito lang mabigat. Ito, guys, is ginger nuts. Ito, mahilig si husband ito kumakain ng ganito. Hindi ako nito mahilig. So, ang gusto ko lang dito is, alam nyo na mahilig ako sa matamis, sa digestive. Imagine mo, umalis ako, malamig sa labas, nakaganyan lang ako, guys. Jacket, tapos naka-t-shirt ako sa loob. Charot! Ayan, naka-t-shirt. Paglabas yung lamig. Tapos, bumili si husband ng fresh carrots, guys. Fresh na carrots. Ayan. And, bumili ako ulit ng tomato and basil pasta sauce. Ito na, guys. Ilagay ko siya sa aking spaghetti. Or meron ako ditong pasta na isang klase. Tapos meron ditong baked beans. Ayan. Mura lang yan doon, guys. Dito kasi sa amin, malapit. Mahal talaga siya, guys. Pag ganito na, guys, 1 pound na sobra, malapit 2 pounds. Tapos ito. Mahilig kasi si husband ng beans. Tapos ito, 4 na ano, guys. 4 na ayan. And then, meron siyang beef stock cubes. Ganyan. So, ito lang yung ating haul today, guys. So, panglalagay na natin sa lagayan. Panglagay natin, guys. Dami namin sa taas, guys, mga canned foods. Dami namin dyan sa taas, guys. Oh. Hindi ako dito nagugutom. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, kuno. Tapos, itong bread. Hindi ko maabot eh. Mahirap talaga yung putot ka, no? So, ito. Darling, you're okay? Beef cubes. Meron pa dito si husband, guys. Oh. Bumibili kami ng mga extra. Tapos ganyan, guys. Gravy. Nakaraan, no, 'di ba? Meron ako ganyan. Meron pa ako, guys. So, bumili ako ulit ng extra. Ganyan ako, guys. Mahilig ako. Ang bili-bili. Tapos, meron kaming Scotch Brite dito. Yan. Marami kaming mga chips dito. Mga chips ito, guys. Ito marami ito sa loob laman. Ito marami ito sa loob laman. 6 pieces. Ito 6 pieces. Ito iba din. You were not filled. Disturbing here. Meron pa akong Nutella sa taas, guys. And wala akong nakitaan na spaghetti, guys, na white na katulad sa atin. Ito is whole wheat siya, guys. Masarap naman ito. Freezer. Okay. So carrots, I put in the fridge. So ito lang yung vlog natin for today, guys. Darling? Darling, you okay? You're okay?
What's all the stuff?
How about this? I put in the plastic.
No, no.
To put in the fridge.
Come on, Random. Keep it out on the fridge.
You okay?
Out on the fridge. Wait, boil or might put off bag for you. I don't need that to do it.
Huh?
Just stop there. Wait, boil that out to a lot of times.
Boil.
Put off bacon, I'll go in the fridge. We'll have bacon there, haven't we? We'll do bacon there, haven't we?
Bacon still have there, I think.
Then, first night suggested we used it.
There is?
Yeah.
No?
Right.
That's full, our tins.
Huh?
Full.
That's a big up and down. Right.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you.